Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of transforming scrap into treasure, profitable wooden craft ideas for creative artisans. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Wooden wall art and decor offer an unparalleled way to bring warmth, texture, and personality to any space. Unlike mass-produced art, handcrafted wooden pieces carry a unique narrative, often reflecting the creativity and craftsmanship of the artist. These creations not only serve as visual focal points, but also enhance the ambience of a room, bringing nature indoors and fostering a calming environment. When envisioning wooden wall art, one might think of various techniques and styles that can be employed. For instance, reclaimed wood has gained immense popularity in recent years. Using wood that has been salvaged from old barns, pallets, or furniture not only makes a piece eco-friendly, but also adds character that new wood simply cannot replicate. Each piece of reclaimed wood tells its own story, marked by knots, scratches, and variations in color that can evoke nostalgia and a sense of history. The concept of layering also plays a significant role in creating striking wooden wall art. By combining various pieces of wood, artisans can create three-dimensional designs that draw the eye and create depth. This technique allows for exploring different shapes, textures, and colors, transforming simple wood into compelling abstract forms or representations of nature, such as trees or mountains. Layering can establish a dynamic visual experience, enticing viewers to explore the intricacies of the piece up close. Another innovative approach is utilizing wood in geometric designs. The clean lines and sharp angles often associated with geometric art can be beautifully enhanced by the organic qualities of wood. By cutting wood into various shapes, triangles, hexagons, or even more complex forms, artists can create a harmonious balance between modern aesthetics and natural materials. When painted in contrasting colors or left in their natural state, these geometric pieces can make stunning statements in both contemporary and traditional settings. For those who enjoy storytelling through their art, creating scenes or landscapes can be particularly engaging. Using layers of wood, artisans can depict anything from tranquil forests to vibrant cityscapes. Incorporating paint or stains can add additional depth and vibrancy, making the scene come alive. This type of wooden wall art not only serves as decoration, but also invites viewers to immerse themselves in a narrative, sparking emotions and memories tied to the landscapes represented. The versatility of wood allows it to be crafted into various decorative forms, such as words or inspirational quotes. Wooden lettering, whether painted, stained, or left raw, can significantly enhance the decor of a room. This could serve as a standalone piece or be incorporated into larger designs. Inspirational quotes can motivate and uplift, while personalized words can add a touch of warmth and familiarity. Such pieces can become conversation starters, bringing a sense of identity to the space. Creating functional art is another exciting dimension of wooden wall decor. Items such as clocks, coat racks, or shelf units can be designed not only to serve practical purposes, but also to elevate the overall aesthetic of home decor. A beautifully crafted wooden clock can serve as both a functional timekeeping device and a stunning art piece. The fusion of functionality and artistry enhances the value of the piece, making it appealing to those who appreciate utility without compromising aesthetics. Wooden wall art can also embrace various painting techniques that bring vibrancy and life to each piece. Techniques like ombre, splattering, or even stencil art can infuse additional color and creativity, effectively transforming a simple wood panel into a captivating canvas. This not only expands the creative options available, but also caters to diverse tastes and preferences. Each technique can evoke different feelings, from calmness to energy, allowing the artist to express their vision fully. Involving other materials can further enhance wooden wall art. Integrating metal, fabric, or glass can add a mixed media dimension that elevates the piece. For example, incorporating metal accents can create a striking contrast against the warmth of the wood, bringing a modern industrial flair to the design. Similarly, fabric or other textiles can add softness and texture, making the artwork more multidimensional. Combining various materials allows artists to unleash their creativity further and explore diverse themes. When considering scale, wooden wall art can have varying impacts based on its size in a room. A large statement piece can serve as a focal point, setting the tone for the entire space. Conversely, a collection of smaller wooden pieces can form an engaging gallery wall, allowing for experimentation with arrangements and styles. By mixing different sizes, colors, and shapes, one can create a lively and visual dialogue that captivates attention without overwhelming the space. Using natural stains and finishes can greatly enhance the beauty of wooden wall art. Emphasizing the grain and texture inherent in the wood allows for the creation of pieces that highlight nature's artistry. Natural finishes provide a rustic charm that resonates with many, evoking feelings of warmth and comfort. For those looking to adopt a more contemporary feel, modern stains or paints can transform the appearance of wood, lending a fresh and vibrant touch while maintaining authenticity. Engaging with local culture or personal experiences can serve as inspiration for creating wooden wall art. Representing local landmarks, nature, or personal stories can infuse the artwork with significance, appealing to viewers on an emotional level. These pieces can foster a sense of community and connection, resonating with both the artist and the audience. Emphasizing such elements can elevate wooden wall decor beyond mere decoration, turning it into a form of expression and storytelling. Sourcing materials locally contributes to sustainability and can also become a source of inspiration. By selecting wood from local suppliers or even utilizing branches from one's backyard, artists can create works that reflect their environment. There is most often a sense of pride and connection when using locally sourced materials, making each piece not just an art project, but a celebration of one's surroundings. Marketing wooden wall art can open up opportunities for generating income. Establishing an online store, participating in craft fairs, or collaborating with local businesses can help artisans reach a wider audience. High-quality photographs accompanied by engaging narratives about the inspiration and process behind each piece can create a compelling online presence. Sharing behind-the-scenes content can foster connections with potential buyers, allowing them to engage with the creation process and deepen their appreciation for handmade artistry. Building relationships with interior designers can also be a beneficial strategy for promoting wooden wall art. Collaborating with designers allows artisans to showcase their work in curated spaces, introducing their art to potential customers in the context of beautifully designed rooms. Additionally, designers often seek unique pieces that can elevate their projects, making handmade wooden art a perfect fit for their clientele. Another opportunity for monetizing wooden art involves teaching workshops. Sharing skills and techniques with others can create additional income streams while spreading the love for woodworking and creativity. Workshops can vary in scope, from basic woodworking skills to advanced techniques, attracting different audiences. This interaction promotes community building and allows for sharing personal stories and experiences through art. It can also inspire others, potentially leading them to purchase finished pieces or materials from the artisan. The journey of creating and selling wooden wall art is a deeply rewarding experience. The process of woodworking nourishes creativity while allowing for introspection and self-discovery. Each crafted piece showcases not just the artist's skill, but also their vision and emotions. This connection to the art makes it all the more meaningful, especially when shared with others, as it resonates with their experiences and styles. In summary, wooden wall art and decor open up a world of creative possibilities, allowing artisans to express themselves while making meaningful contributions to home interiors. From the selection of materials to the execution of intricate designs, each step presents an opportunity for innovation. By embracing various techniques, styles, and narratives, woodworkers can create unique pieces that resonate with audiences and enhance environments. The fusion of personal expression with functional beauty lies at the heart of wooden wall art, transforming spaces while telling compelling stories. Through dedication and creativity, artisans can turn their passion into a fulfilling endeavor that enriches both their lives and the lives of those who appreciate their craftsmanship. The emotional resonance associated with wooden decor cannot be understated. Objects often have a way of evoking memories, feelings, and connections. An inherited wooden piece from a family member or a handcrafted item from a local artisan can evoke stories and sentiments tied to experiences, locations, or relationships. These connections enrich living spaces, turning a mere room into a repository of personal history and emotional significance. By integrating woodcraft pieces into homes, individuals amplify these emotional connections, enhancing the living experience. Additionally, the process of curating wooden craft pieces encourages individuals to develop an appreciation for aesthetics and design principles. As homeowners select items that complement each other and the overall design of their space, they refine their eye for composition, color, texture, and style. This heightened awareness can translate into more informed decorating decisions, encouraging individuals to cultivate environments that truly resonate with their tastes and lifestyles. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked, transforming scrap into treasure, profitable wooden craft ideas for creative artisans. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.